Hey all! As a Valentine special, making a craft video for today, making flower with a vase. Along with this, I'll be showing how to make two other simple flowers. So let's start. Firstly, making the flower vase. As it's Valentine special, taking a red color woolen yarn for this. Now take a glass bottle that fits in a bamboo skewer or the stick you will be using for the stem of the flower. Using a white glue, start wrapping the bottle with the yarn. This is a similar craft of one of my previous craft video, my DIY rope craft. Do check out the link above or in the description. Once it's complete, let it dry. Next, making a tissue paper flower. Firstly, take an A4 size paper and cut a thin strip around half centimeter in width. Now take a tissue paper and fold 3 or 4 times as per your preferred size of the flower. Cut along one folded size. Then start cutting thin strips, leaving a centimeter on top. I have just pinned it up so that it remains in place. Now take the white strip and paste it on one end. Take a bamboo skewer and start rolling all along. Apply glue in between. You can keep the stick or remove it as per your preference. Next, making a paper rose. Take colorful square papers around 9 cm in size. Draw a spiral and cut along the line. Start rolling from one end. And on reaching the other end, loosen it up and it's already in a rose shape. Stick it with a glue gun. And the paper rose is ready. Now let's make today's project. Here I'm using red color paper, or you can use the same papers used for making the paper rose. Cut 24 cm length and 8 cm width. And mark 1 cm on one side and draw a line. Cut thin strips like how I made the tissue paper flower. To save time, fold into half and cut. Take a long strip, 1 cm in width, and do as shown. Now let's keep it for drying. Once it's completely dried, open in the middle and spread the petals. Now take a stick and do as shown. I have used a scissors for this for better method, but be careful while pulling the petals. Adding some stones to the vase, and your craft is ready. So that's it for today, friends. Hope you enjoyed watching it. If you liked my video, do give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Thank you and see you soon with another video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.